Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your money with HSBC, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your money with HSBC, start by gathering all necessary documents related to the transaction. This includes bank statements, receipts, and any correspondence with HSBC. Next, visit the HSBC website to find the relevant section for dispute resolution. Look for options related to chargebacks or fraud claims, as these will guide your recovery process. Once you locate the appropriate section, prepare to fill out any required forms. Be ready to provide detailed information about the transaction in question. Include the date, amount, and description of the transaction. If applicable, attach any supporting documents you have gathered earlier. After completing the forms, submit them through the indicated method, whether online or via mail. Make sure to keep a copy of everything you send for your records. Once your claim is submitted, it's important to note any reference numbers for tracking purposes. Next, follow up with HSBC after a few days if you haven't received confirmation of your claim. You can do this by calling the customer service number listed on their website. During the call, provide the representative with your reference number and any relevant details. Keep detailed notes of any conversations for future reference. If your initial claim is denied or unresolved, consider escalating the issue. You can do this by requesting to speak with a manager or using their formal complaint process. In some cases, reaching out to financial ombudsman services may also be an option. Stay patient throughout the process, as claims can take time to resolve. Always check for any updates through your online banking or by contacting customer service. Once you receive a decision, review it carefully and follow any next steps outlined. If you receive a favorable outcome, ensure the funds are correctly credited back to your account. In case of any discrepancies, don't hesitate to reach out to HSBC for clarification. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the process of recovering your money with HSBC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.